How are the gears made? It is the link that transmits power. Transmission power can reach tens of millions of watts. The speed can reach hundreds of thousands of revolutions per minute. The highest peripheral speed reaches 300 meters per second. At this time, the machine is cutting round steel. This kind of steel is gear blank. It contains a certain proportion of carbon. This will make it stronger. The workers fixed the blank on the computer lathe. Turntable with carbide tools will cut the blank into a specific shape. This process needs to be topped with coolant. Avoid overheating of the drill press during operation. First drill a hole in the center of the blank, then carve a groove in front on it. Excess metal is removed. The weight of the gear will also be greatly reduced. Then transfer to the milling machine. The hole drilled here. When the gears are working, lubricant can flow smoothly. Unload the plane. Workers will imprint the company's name and part number on it. The next step is to create the teeth on the gear. First, this gear sharper is used to carve the inner ring teeth in the center of the blank. The surface of this gear planer contains titanium, shape and durable under the action of the planer. This gear sharper can manufacture various styles of gears. The factory only needs to replace the specific planer. Now it's time to make the outer teeth of the gear. These machines are all controlled by computer. When cutting, the gear will rotate with the hopping machine. This is to avoid cutting the teeth too deep. Long stay will also cause damage to the planer, so the gear must keep rotating. Cut each of the external gears to the proper depth. After completion, the probe will scan the whole of it, including every tooth above. Then transfer the data to the computer for size analysis. Make sure they meet the engineering specifications. After the inspection is completed, the next step is to perform heat treatment. This step can change the crystal structure of steel. Reinforced steel. When the furnace reaches a certain temperature, workers will put carbon in. The gear's carbon absorption will further strengthen the steel, then immerse in air for quenching. But after heat treatment, the steel will become slightly distorted. So next we will grind the gears. Computer-controlled grinding machine. Accurate gear specifications can be rated so that can match the bearing. There will be all kinds of gears on the market. It's unnecessary regional in various items.